There are 4 emergency exit doors. Each door is equipped with an emergency evacuation slide. 2 exits are in the front of the aircraft, and 2 exits are in the rear of the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with red and white overhead signs when illuminated. Green floor-level lighting on both sides of the aisle will help guide you to the nearest lighted exit. The safety card details the location and operations of the exit nearest you. Remember, it may be behind you. Your seatbelt must be fastened for taxi, takeoff, landing, and any time the seatbelt sign is on. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. To adjust, pull the straps. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. Should oxygen be needed, a mask will drop from the compartment located above your seat. Pull the mask out of the clip. Then pull the mask to your face, placing it over your nose and mouth and securing it with the elastic band. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not appear to inflate. If you are sitting with someone needing assistance, put your mask on first and then offer assistance. In the unlikely event of a water landing, your seat cushion can be used for flotation. To remove it, simply pull up, place it to your chest, put your arms through the straps as shown on the safety card. For passengers with lap-held children, infant life vests are provided on the aircraft. A description of the location, use, and operation can be found on the safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. Federal regulations prohibit smoking in the cabin and lavatories. For your safety, a smoke detector is located in each lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying these smoke detectors. Federal regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. In preparation for takeoff, your tray tables and seat backs need to be upright in the locked position, and all carry-ons need to be stowed. All portable electronic devices need to be turned off and stowed for takeoff and landing. The flight attendants will let you know when we reach an altitude where it's safe to use these devices. As a reminder, cellular telephones are not approved for use while in flight, and pager transmitters are not approved for use at any time on board the aircraft. The flight attendants will be turning off the main cabin lights. If you need additional light, please use your courtesy lights located over your seat. For your safety, we do ask that all window shades are in the open position for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the flight. We should be airborne shortly.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we will be turning off our main cabin lights. If you need additional reading light, you have a courtesy light located just above your seat. It's the gray button.
folks from the flight that we like that are welcome aboard Flight 3445 service over to Newark. There's no delays going over to the East Coast, so we'll be getting on our way here momentarily in the next 60 seconds. We appreciate your business and choosing to fly with us, and we'll be on our way here momentarily. From the four of us, welcome aboard. Flight attendants prepare the cabin for departure.